Hi everyone, I'm Brenda.
And it's Jeffrey here. Hey Brenda, two strawberries walk into a Sephora. What does one say to the other?
I don't know. What?
If you took better care of your skin, we wouldn't even be in this jam. Okay, Brenda, what do we have to help this poor little strawberry out?
It is an ingredient that I've seen trending big time right now. And we have a great strawberry product that some of you will be getting in your play box this month. The Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. Now, we love this face wash because it's a multitasker and it has amazing ingredients.
Okay, Brenda, give me some of that. Now, right off the bat, you'll know that this has strawberry in it. Now, strawberry is a really potent source of vitamin C, which we know is great for brightening, lightening, and tightening the skin. Now, Brenda, as you're massaging it in, tell me what you feel.
It feels like a very gentle exfoliation.
Exactly. Now, Fresh used sugar as an exfoliant on purpose because it actually serves as a natural humectant. It pulls moisture from the air and deposits it into the skin. So once you rinse it off, your skin is left fresh and juicy, which is really nice. Now, another added benefit of using sugar as a humectant is that it's super earth-friendly. Because this product is a multitasker, it's super easy to use and easy to incorporate into your everyday life. So what you're gonna do is take a dime-size amount onto damp skin and massage until the sugar disappears. It's gonna dissolve. And then you're gonna remove any excess with warm water. What's even cooler is that as you're removing it, the water is dissolving the sugar molecules into the skin, boosting that humectant quality, adding more moisture, which is amazing. Okay, now we're all done. Brenda, give that a feel.
So smooth.
Right? I know. And check the radiance. It definitely has that lit from within kind of glow, right?
Yeah, I'm so excited to try this product and I hope you're all as sweet as we are on this exfoliating cleanser.
We'll see you next time. Ciao for now.
Bye.